Hello everyone, this is Sundus. Today we will learn about if-else statement in Python. So, if-else statement in Python is used for decision making. So let me write it. If statement. So it is used to check a condition if condition execute. So if a statement it is used to check a condition, and if a condition is true, the code inside it will execute. Okay, now let me write the syntax for it. That is if condition you will write if condition and then write your code here. So let's understand with the help of the example. Let's take age as a variable and put 18 value inside it. Now if age is smaller or equal to 18, okay, so what I'm doing here, I took age one variable and put 18 inside it. After then if statement here, so I took age variable. If age variable is greater or equal to 18, only then it will print this statement that you are eligible to vote. All right, let's execute it. You are eligible to vote. All right, because I already gave 18 here in age and I am comparing 18 to 18. So if they are equal, so this statement will execute. If number is greater than 18, in that condition it will run as well. Okay, now let me write it. Copy output. Now let's talk about if else statement. If else statement. Okay, so it is used okay. So what is if else statement? It is used when we want to execute one block if the condition is true and another block if the condition is false. So let's see how to do it with the help of the code. Let me write the syntax here. Now let me write the syntax here. That is, if condition, after then true block. Okay. Then so if condition is true, so this true block will execute, else it will execute the false block. Now let me take one example. I am taking num variable and put 5 value inside it. Now I am taking if statement. Here I wrote my condition. Okay. So I will give input here and the same input goes here and it will get divided by 2. If the remainder is 0, it means it's even. If it will give remainder 1, so it is odd number. So let's try it with the help of the code. So here I'm writing the true condition. Okay. If remainder is 0, so this true block will execute, else number is odd. Alright. Let me execute it. Let me come in the above code. It is also running. Okay. Let me clear this screen. Let me clear the terminal. Now, see, it's an odd number because I pass 5 here. If I pass 4, then even number. Now I want to take input from user. So how to do it? Let me take one question which I will take input from user. Okay. Now let me write one code. Num is equal to, now I want to take number and input function is by default string. So what I will do here, enter number. Okay. Now this line will take the input from the user and convert that input into integer, means number. Okay. Now after then I will execute my condition that if number is greater than 0, okay, so it will print positive number. Okay. Now in else statement I will write, if this condition is true, this true block will execute, else it will execute the false block. So let me write that as the negative number. Okay. All right. So this is the code. Let me run it. First, let me come in this code. Now click compile. Now put a number For example, 10. I got positive number. Okay. Now again I will run this code, and this time I will pass some negative number, that is -3. See, negative number. Okay. Indentation is very important in Python. Then condition must return true or false. Then else block runs only when if condition is false. Okay, so let's understand it. Indentation. Indentation. Okay, so what is indentation here? If you see this is space, okay, so this 4 space, it is by default. If I, let's see, see, if I click enter, it by default gave 4 spaces. Okay, so this is called indentation. If you do like this, so it will throw an error. So you need to be very careful regarding indentation. Okay, so it is recommended to use 4 byte spaces. Okay, and you can use like 2 spaces here and 2 spaces here. Then again run this code. Let's see, it ran. Okay, but the space should be consistent. So 4 spaces is recommended, and if you want to give less than 4, so you can do it, but it should be consistent indentation. Okay, then second is condition must return true or false. So here, as we saw here, if the condition is true, then true block will execute, else it will execute the false block. Okay, then else block run only when if condition is false. If you found this video helpful, so please like, share and subscribe my channel for more Python tutorial. Thank you for watching this video.